Welcome back. In this new tutor, we will look into how to model a table lamp. So for this, we will get back to our existing blender with the previous session where we modeled the bookshelf with the magazine and a book, and we will continue exactly from this file itself. So we will enable our image. Yeah. So since we got multiple props, so you try to rename those shelves. Old book, magazine, and this is a reference image. Let it be. And yeah. So always keep your files organized. Yeah. So we have our lamp, a table lamp structure here. So what we have to do, we'll go ahead and we'll model our table lamp. We'll hide all other meshes, and we will select the image. Since we are going to use screw modifier for this table lamp, uh, the point of start of a particular section in this from this is going to be our model. So from this center point, we are going to add we are going to create a vertex, and from here we will draw this entire thing. We will create a multiple vertices, and then we will use a screw modifier, and then it will actually cover with the other side as well. So for this, we should start from a very center point, so that the screw modifier will properly sit on this model and create a duplicate on the other side. Okay, uh, like a cylindrical object. So we will select this image, and we will bring the image to the exact center. So center portion. So this cursor is actually center, the cursor, 3D cursor, and G, and somewhere we will keep it in center. Yeah, now it is exact center. We'll follow with other models, like our next model will going to be our indoor plant. We'll follow the same principle for our other model as well. So we will move this image, bring it to the center, and will make our model progress. Okay. So now the images are little moved. So what I can do, I can unselect this selection tool. Now again Shift A, create a plane. Make sure you select the collection too, because this is mesh. These are all the mesh, or you can just name it as models or props, anything. Okay. So under this we are going to create. So you can just select this collection. Shift A. Again, you can create a plane as well for this. So rotate it. Sorry. So go to the object properties, rotate it to 90 degree, and scale it. Go to edit mode, vertex selection, and yeah. So now what we're going to do, we're going to merge all. We just need one vertex, and only one vertex, and that vertex should be on the center of this particular point. From here we will extrude the vertex, and we will go around the model's curve, and we will complete it. Okay. For this, what we can do, we can we can merge all the four vertex into one. So uh, M is a shortcut key for merge, M, and you just can use at center, and it will actually give exactly, it will place on a particular center here. So you can now we got only one vertex. So what you can do, you can extrude. So since the image is actually rendered image, the reference is rendered image, the lower part look like little curved, but it is not in the real time. So what you can do, from here we can extrude it to X, and you can move up to a particular point, up to here or up to here, and then extrude a little here, and extrude, and now you can able to follow with the follow with our reference. Extrude, not much of a vertex. So some portions might be little curve. Some portion does not need much curve. So avoiding creating lot of vertices will be good. Extrude, extrude, extrude. You can continue this. Extrude, extrude. From here it is actually kind of straight only, and also we can adjust here to bring a curve, or later also we can adjust, because anytime we can able to switch over and work on it. From here, just extrude here and extrude here, and again extrude at the top. We'll have one division here. From here we can take it to the above. So extrude Z up to the top. Okay. Okay. So now what we can do, we can actually go to object mode, and we can add our modifier, which is screw modifier, and defaultly it will create on a Z axis. So shift it to Y. Axis should be Y. So in the Y axis, it has actually created another duplicate, like a mirror modifier. So now we got this. Okay. So we have a little adjustment for the model in the bottom side. Yeah. There is no adjustments required right now. If we need some adjustment, we will do it in the later classes. Okay. Uh, can go ahead with the side part. Can enable the image, enable the external mode as well. Can make some adjustment from here itself. So G, and hold the shift, it will be controlled. So whatever the changes you do here, the changes will happen to the model as well. Okay. So furthermore, if you find any curves or too stiff or too sharp, you can able to make the changes like this. Just grab, just G, grab it, and use the shift, and bring it as a proper curve and proper structure. Okay, maintain the proper structure. So this is done. Uh, Now we will go with the top part of the lamp. So for this, we will create a new object, which is cylinder. Shift A, create a cylinder, scale it, scale it again and match to the exact to the exact to the reference. Scale it to Z. Okay, so as you see, uh, choose the top part and scale it to X. So there will be a little bend for the lamp. If you want, you can also scale it to little bit X, scale it to X, the lower part. Need not to be exactly trace the reference. You can make some, you can add some changes wherever you wanted. And since the cylinder is closed on the top and the bottom, you can unselect the X-ray mode, select both faces from the face selection, and delete both faces. Delete, and go to face and delete the faces. You can create a little thickness for your lamp, or right click, select all the faces, A for selecting all the faces. And what you can do, you can right click on the lamp, extrude faces along normals, select, and this time you just push it inside a little bit, use the shift, give a minute thickness, this is enough. Now what we can do, we can give some as you see, there is a thick region is going on around, a strip like thing is going on around this cylinder, no, the top and the bottom side there will be a thick region. So what we can do, some minor uh, minor changes, minor models, I'll guide you how to do that. So go to edge selection mode, shift shift alt and select the curves, select the entire curve, alt and select. And for now I will just hide the image, and same for the bottom as well, alt and select the entire outer curve, not the inner one. Outer is enough here as well. So alt and selection, and continue with shift and again alt and select. So we have selected both the outer edges, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to separate this curves from that cylinder model itself. So P is the shortcut for separation. You can select give P and select separate by selection, and as you can see, it is separated from the cylinder itself. You can go to the object mode and you can grab, and you can move and see it is separated, and just press escape. Now what you should do, you should actually go to edit mode, select these curves, and you can give convert to, right click on this curves you have created, right click on this from the object mode, and you can give convert to curves. Convert to curves. So now you can see there is one option, data object property, which shows a curve icon on it. So go to this option, data object properties, and there you can see a thickness for the model. Under this geometry, So thickness is 0 default. You can give 0.01. So zero point 0.1 is too much. So 0.001. You can see the thickness. 0.01. Okay. So as you can see here, 0.01 uh, m will be the thickness for this. So we have created a new material, new object here. So you can find a different object here, and both this circular wire kind of border for the lamp, for the top region of the lamp, and then the lamp stand or the bottom part itself. Okay, three different parts. And if you want, you can able to if you want, you can able to join this region, since uh, this the, you are not going to have any camera shots inside the lamp. It is fine, otherwise you can able to do it. Okay, so the model is done. We will find we will we'll do the textures and lighting during our upcoming classes. So stay tuned.